Alrighty, YouTube, welcome back. First off, apologies. I expected to have the truck ready and being able to at least move under its own power for the first time. It's coming. This video is still in the process of being recorded, building the brake lines and whatnot, so this is a sneak peek into the next video. I'm having more problems than I care to admit with this stupid brake system. I am beyond frustrated, furious, and I just don't have the time before I have to leave for the weekend to edit the video you're watching now. So don't worry, this is coming soon. Very soon. To kick this off, this is gonna be a little bit of a different video today because I just got home from work and there is something waiting outside my front door for me. Which actually came as a surprise because I expected this to be way later from now. Oh, this is gonna be really cool. I am so excited to open this stuff. Actually, this might be better in my house. I don't want to get any of this dirty. Come with me to the living room. Oh, it is very dark in my house. Alrighty, I am actually super pumped because I don't know what's in one of these boxes. I think know what's in this box because it's the heavier of the two. This is a product that I personally asked for, and I will get into that after we open this box because it's very light and I don't know what's in it. I guess for a little bit of insight, Jegs joined TikTok a while back, and they've been getting some creators to join their Jegs Creator Program, I believe is what it's called. And talking with Jegs on TikTok, they wanted me to be part of the program, and I said, absolutely. So I guess they sent me what I can assume is the welcome box. So I guess we can just go ahead and crack this one open. Oh, cool, dude. No way. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I'm gonna start with this Jegs letter. Alex, welcome aboard. We are thrilled to be partnering with you. Here are some items from the Jegs team. We look forward to watching your content grow. Reach out if you ever need anything. P.S. Here's a limited edition Jegs sticker. That's what that was. This guy here. Look at that. That's cool. Stay #Jegs equipped. From Bobby, Team Jegs. Oh, this is neat. So, what do we got? A sweater? A Jegs sweater? Okay, before the sweater, actually, there's a hat in here. This might be a little small for me. Oh boy, there's a gray Jegs t-shirt. Got a supercharged big block on the back. Look at that, I'm all official. And the sweater too. Track tested Jegs. Oh, it's comfy too. Hell yeah, dude. Here, we'll put it all on, even though the hat's a little small for me here. What else do we got in here? Ooh, stickers. 2 big ones and 2 small ones. I know where one of them's going. That one, ooh, that'll fit real good right there. I'll have to chuck one of those on the back of Rat 10. Then, oh, this is actually like, look at this. Oh my god, this is huge. That's like a full shop banner. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this thing. I don't even know where I'm gonna hang this. I'll have to go hang that up either in the garage or in my office. Well, that's a fun little package. Bunch of Jegs merch. That's like a welcome to the family kind of thing. Which means we can get into the exciting part. Oh man, I cannot wait to see the inside of this box because I know what's in here. So, what is sitting in this box in front of me? This is actually not going to be related to Rat 10 at all. This is what I'm going to be using to kind of kick off the next project for the channel. I've shown it a few times before out in my backyard. It's covered in snow right now, otherwise I'd take you out there. Might just like flash a picture on the screen real quick for you to see. Is my 1987 Chevy S10 that I call Farmy. And I plan to build it into a drift truck. It is currently small block V8 swapped with a quadrajet carburetor on it. It's a 305. It is an absolute dog. And I'm not the most carburetorly inclined person because I'm of the younger generation that didn't grow up with them. I know how to make them run and work, but I just don't know a lot about them. That's where this box comes in. Jegs has decided to send me something incredibly cool. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this is cool. First of all, I am a child. Check this thing out. Oh, it's a whole box in a box. This is the Jegs Bandit EFI. Oh, I am excited for this. I don't know a lot about this. I looked on the website and it seems like it's pretty brand new. There were no reviews of it, and it seems like it'll fit basically exactly what I need it to do for Farmy. It's what it says. It's a self-contained EFI system. I'll just read it off the box here. Features: complete Jegs 550 horsepower throttle body EFI kit. Self-learning engine management system that self-calibrates from 200 to 550 horsepower. Universal design. Includes complete throttle body assembly, ready to bolt on. That's straight off the box. Ooh, additional features. Jegs control unit ECU with self-learning sequential technology. Works with most 4-barrel intake manifolds, which is good because that's what's on the truck. Supplied with common throttle linkage for most applications. Works with a stock or aftermarket distributor. That's a big one because I thought I was going to have to buy a new one. Optional electric fuel pump control, that's pretty neat. Custom wiring harness clearly labeled. Controls one fan, that's all I really need for Farmy's case. Handheld color touchscreen controller with windshield mount allowing you to display vital engine diagnostics in an analog or digital format. That's cool. So it'll be probably like a little screen about this big if I remember right from the website. Built in with 4 high-flow 62 pound an hour fuel injectors supporting up to 550 horsepower. I don't plan to make that much with Farmy. Like I said, right now it's just a small block carbureted 305. It'll probably get a 350 in the future, do a little mild build on it. I don't need a lot of power in that truck, it doesn't weigh much. This is cool. This really feels real. Let's pop this box open. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, looks like some gaskets. Ooh, more stickers? Hell yeah. Jegs Bandit series, that's going on the back of Farmy. Looks like your standard 4-barrel gasket kit. Installation guide, we'll have to get into that in the future because I won't exactly be able to install this ASAP as Rat 10's taking up most of my time. It will come very soon, trust me. So what do we got in here? This is wiring harness. I'll take a quick look through all that. Oh, it smells new. Let's see what my mechanic's brain can make out of all this. That looks like an ECU plug. This is probably to the screen. A few little branches here. Oh, main harness ground. That looks like an O2 sensor plug. Ah, it is too. Look at this, that's a wideband O2 sensor. Oh, no way. It looks like any other Bosch wideband sensor. I think you can buy these brand new because I've torched a couple on Rat 10 before. That's really cool. This lets you do way more than narrowband. This tells you exactly how your engine is running. A narrowband O2 just tells you if it's lean or if it's rich. This tells you exactly how it's running. That's exciting. Just a generic relay for the whole harness. There's not a lot to this. Fan. This probably, oh, fuel pump and key. This, oh, double fused? Battery positive. TAC input. IAC, idle air, map, manifold air pressure, and TPS, which is throttle position. CTS, what is that? Coolant temp sensor, that makes sense. This harness is incredibly simple. Okay, that is really exciting because there's not a lot to hook up. Oh, that's what I love about these self-contained EFI systems. Oh, that's what I love about these self-contained EFI systems. What do we got here? Oh, look at that, that's an O2 bung. They make this really easy if you don't know how to weld, actually. Look at this. I've never seen one of these. This is an O2 bung with a gasket. So you just drill a hole into your exhaust pipe, clamp it on the side. There's no welding required. For an entry-level kit, if you don't know how to weld, this is beautiful. Why don't more companies do this? That is awesome. I don't know how long it'll last compared to just a bung you weld on the side of your exhaust, but this makes it accessible. Anyone can install this on their vehicle. That's cool. What do we got here? This is some cables. Oh, this looks like the screen wiring. This is a, oh, that's the windshield mount they're talking about. It's a suction cup. Plunger. You press her down, load her up. I could probably pick up my table with that, to be honest, if there wasn't so much junk on it. That's a damn good suction cup. Like a binder clip style for the screen. Now, what else do we got in the box? This looks like the ECU. Ooh, it's so tiny. Just a wee little ECU. Huh. What is this? That is, Oh, it's the screen. That's not a bad size screen. Check that out. That's really big compared to some of the Holly kits you get I've seen. It's just this little dinky screen. This is nice. Arrows built in. That's what this guy's for, USB-C. Looks like it's power for the screen. That has that little jack cable as well. Screen with the USB. It's down here. That looks like a coolant temp sensor adapter. That indeed looks like a coolant temp sensor. Supplied in the kit. They really make this easy. This is totally unscripted, by the way. This is initial reactions. I am... Oh, okay. We gotta get a good look at that. Okay, I'm kind of giddy like a little kid because I got a glimpse of it. Whoa. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. But here's the reveal. Check this thing out. Ooh, that new EFI smell. Oh, was there things I missed on the box? Oh, there was stuff I missed. Throttle body assembled with TPS, idle air, and manifold air pressure pre-installed. That's all contained in this thing? Oh, that is cool. Coolant temp sensor supplied. Comes with wideband O2 and O2 bung, allowing a weld on or clamp on. -6 AN fuel inlet, which is small, but for 550 horsepower, that's all I really need. Gaskets included, detailed, easy to follow instructions. Fuel supply sold separately, requires 58 PSI, that's not a problem. And then there's a support number, and buy from a name you can trust, Jeg. I didn't realize all the sensors were actually built into this. Oh, man. Oh, this is cool, dude. Looks like there's a couple of vacuum ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says the map sensor's built in. So this is TPS, which looks like just actually a standard TPS sensor. That actually kind of looks like the map sensor there. Yeah, okay, this is the map sensor, and that's the idle air motor back here. This is cool. Oh yeah, look at that. There's little fuel injectors hiding under there. This is neat. And it's not dual stage either like a carburetor is. It's just, it opens all 4 at the same time. I've never owned anything this brand new before. So yeah, there's fuel in. There's no return line. This will be interesting to make work. Nice thing is too, this ECU does look like it's completely sealed. So I can probably mount this right in the engine bay and just be extremely simple. So what do we get? That is the fully assembled throttle body EFI, the ECU, the screen, the mount for the screen. That's a little janky. But you know what? That's actually not a bad way to do it. It's simple. You don't have to drill into anything. That's pretty cool. There was the coolant temp sensor, a wideband O2 with the bung, temp sensor adapter, and the entire wiring harness. I am super excited to get this installed because this is just a plug and play kit. Okay, I just got up to go to the bathroom and I had a sudden realization. I made mention that there's only the one fuel port on this. That's because this is not internally fuel pressure regulated. There's technically 1, maybe 2 things I'm missing for this kit. Not that it's a big deal because I can just find them myself. You need an external fuel pressure regulator that will obviously be able to supply the 58 PSI that this is requiring, and then a fuel pump that can put out that pressure and the flow that this also wants. I believe Jegs has nice affordable options on their website. I do have a fuel pump and I think a fuel pressure regulator for farming that should work fine with this. If not, then we'll just have to buy that when we get there. I'm super excited to try this out. This is extremely affordable compared to a lot of the EFI systems out there that are very similar. This is, I believe, $930 US. Yeah, it's actually right on the back of their flyer here. $929.95. It supports up to 550 horsepower, which for like a mild small block build, even some big blocks, this could actually do really good. I don't know if it's rated for boost or not. I can probably Google the map sensor number and see what it says here. Because if that's a 2-bar map sensor, you could put boost through this. I don't know if it's rated for that or if you're supposed to, but that would be really cool. And then, like I said, I believe this is a pretty new product. There's no reviews online, so I can't thank Jegs enough. Like, thank you very much for considering me to be able to test this out and try it. This is awesome. It's completely plug and play, as far as I can see. Should be able to work with my distributor. It's an HEI distributor. I guess we'll find out when we get there. This is gonna have to be delayed a little bit because Rat 10 has some more stuff to finish. But this is the kickoff into the next project, which is Farmy the drift truck build. Farmy the skid truck is what I'm gonna call it. Actually, man, yeah, I'm pumped. This is cool. Never did I ever think I'd be doing something like this. This feels completely surreal. I feel like a little kid. This is crazy. I can't believe I've got this opportunity. Thank you so much, Jegs. Oh, that's so awesome. Yeah, this this doesn't really feel real. This is crazy. I'm super excited to see what this is capable of. I don't know if my little 305 in there is going to make enough power for this. I might have to just drop a 350 into farming and call it done. Well, I think that about does it for my impromptu unboxing video. Hope you guys are excited as I am. This is wild. Never did I think I was going to be able to do something like this for you guys and for Jegs. This is a dream come true. This is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. I hope you guys are excited for what's next to come on the channel here because this is going to be super awesome learning how all this works. So I hope you enjoyed all that. I hope you come back for more, especially to tune into this project. And thanks for watching.